Hey guys.
Hey guys, this is us today. We made a new one.
We are going to be making some slime, some glitter slime.
Yeah, and then we're making a new one because one made bad.
Yeah. Anyways, so we are going to be needing clear
Glue.
slime activator, which is basically just the borax solution.
You have to use that again.
Water.
Water. You have to use that again too.
A container to do it in, a mixing spool, and glitter.
And we're putting different glitter.
The first thing that you are going to be needing to do is put some clear glue in.
Can I do it?
No, because I need to do this one.
Okay, time to do next.
Okay,
Now is this next?
now you're going to be needing to do the activator. Okay.
Enough. You don't put too much because don't put too much.
Hold on, I need to add.
You want to put? You want to put what?
So now you're gonna add everything in the way. Sorry.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna add some water.
Some water. Like the last time we made the orange one was too sticky. It's too like slimy. Too like
Then you
slimy.
wanna mix it.
Yeah. And the last one, it was not perfect. It was last one that was like with orange. It turned to what is it? What color? What color?
Gray.
Gray. It turned to gray.
It was gray or silver. I don't remember.
No, silver. It turned to silver. That's a pretty color.
Yeah.
I wish her a glitter silver.
Gonna
So,
keep mixing
it's a
it.
pretty color.
You're just talking about colors, Marie.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, she just wanted to be in the video, so I just let her. Anyways, you're gonna keep mixing, and then if it's not coming together, then give it some time, or you've already gave it like 5 minutes, then start adding more activator.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be an off and on process. That means
One.
you're going to need to wait and stir, wait, stir, wait, stir. And just keep going on and off until you do it right.
Okay. I'm back. Okay, sorry. Okay. No, I'm not. Okay. Sorry. Okay, it's time to do.
What?
Make a slime.
This one isn't going to be a mess.
Yeah. This will not make a mess.
See, it's starting to come on together, so I guess we do not have to do the on and off process. I guess I put in just enough. Okay. So if it is too sticky, just add more activator.
I got the towel so we don't make a mess.
Okay, so what you need to do as soon as, okay, let's put the towel on. Okay.
Wait, we have to move that.
Yeah, move all that.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
We have to put a towel.
In case we make a mess. Okay, so, yeah, that should have been the first thing we did, but we forgot. Now we're going to add the glitter. Where's the glitter? Okay, the glitter, you can add it. This time. Can I have the glitter? Here, want me to open it for you?
Because
I'm happy alone if you feel like a poopy.
Yes, he's just happy about something. I don't know.
Because I'm happy to know if my big fat butt is too big.
Or just being weird. I don't know.
I am just being weird. Because my poopy butt will
Don't listen to him, guys.
There's a big fat like a boo. Because you're poopy butt.
just do
My
this.
poopy butt is too big because if I put science in, I'm gonna put this in here because I'm just gonna glue in. Because I'm just gonna go get visible goofy because I can. Because
Okay. See, turned out to be some pretty good slime. So that is how you make an awesome slime very, very quick.
Wait, we just some people play with
So
it.
thank you for watching my channel.
Wait,
and if
wait.
it is too sticky, then add more activator.
Like this.
And guys, just so you know, if you haven't met our little cousin, you can't really see it right now. It's too dark.
Here, stop it. It's too dark.
Eddie, stop!
It's too dark for them to see it. Okay. So this is fine. Okay, guys.
Hey, you want to hold it.
Okay. I guess we are done with the. You can't even see me.